Today marks 6 months since the first coronavirus cases were announced in New Mexico. And a lot has changed in those 6 months. Here's News 13's Gabrielle Burkhart.
We've seen businesses close and reopen with added health safety measures. Students start a school year online. 6 months into the pandemic here, we talked to locals about how their lives have changed.
All right, I'm doing a hand sanitizer.
March 11th, 6 months ago, Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham and her health advisors passed around hand sanitizer at the start of a news conference where she announced the first COVID-19 cases in the state.
We now have 3 cases, 2 in Socorro County, 1 in Bernalillo County. I am declaring a public health emergency.
In the months that followed, New Mexico saw cases climb, surging in July with more than 300 new daily cases announced. We've seen businesses close, some permanently, while others started new ventures.
We have so many customers supporting.
Yuko Kawashimo and her husband opened a bakery in Nob Hill in the midst of the pandemic.
Huge, good change, but because of the COVID, it's like a challenging too. But we try to keep going.
Lately, COVID cases are trending down again, and like so many things.
Good afternoon, New Mexico.
Regular news conferences are now virtual, with social distancing and mask wearing commonplace.
Thank you very much for joining us for our weekly COVID update.
Daily case averages are now below the state's goal of 168 per day.
So we don't get the best numbers we've had in 4 to 6 months unless people are staying at home, they're wearing their masks, they're not going to large gatherings.
The changes that have affected me are the same that have affected everybody else.
Richard Ariza says he's tried to make positive changes.
We don't watch TV. I read a lot of books. I'm reading about 2 books a week.
And while he misses going to the movies and casually eating out like he used to, he's happy to support local businesses trying to survive.
And I'm hoping that that breathes a little bit of life into the economy.
More big changes this week as lots of younger kids headed back to school in a hybrid model, while middle and high schoolers are still mostly online. Back to you.
Okay, thanks, Gabby. Now looking ahead to winter, state health officials are hopeful a COVID-19 vaccine could be available to the public by January.